So guys, our menu for today is menudo, pork menudo. Ayan, sangkutsain natin ng meat, pork meat sa vegetable oil, garlic, and onions into golden brown. Lagyan po natin ng 1 cup of water para mapalambot natin ang kanyang karne. Kaya ang kumulo, takpan. Next is nilagay po natin ng mga pampalasa like laurel leaves, ground pepper, iodized salt, konting magic sarap. And then, isinunod natin yung kanyang mga ingredients na gulay like patatas, carrots, and then yung kanyang pork liver. Hayaan po natin kumulo ng mga about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, nilagay natin ang menudo sauce. And then, nilagyan na natin siya ng bell pepper. Pakuluin pa natin ng another 3 minutes. Now it's done. Our pork menudo is ready to serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching. God bless. Enjoy your meal.